Hey guys, welcome back to our Smart Kitchen. So today we're preparing a simple and easy badam pudding. So let's get started. So firstly, to a blender add 1 liter of fresh milk. Then to this add 1 fresh grated coconut. Now blend this mixture. The mixture has well blended. Now using a strainer, strain the blended mixture. The mixture has well strained. Now to this strained mixture, add powdered sugar according to your requirement. And mix well. Now take another blender, add 3/4 cup of almonds into it and blend it. Now to this blended almond, add little bit of strained milk and blend it well. Now add the blended almond paste into the strained milk. Once done, mix it well. Now to this mixture, you may either add melted Chainagrass 8 gram or 3 tablespoons of melted gelatin. Once done adding the Chainagrass, then mix it well. Simple badam pudding mixture is ready. Now let us pour them onto the pudding dish. Now keep it in the freezer until it sets. Now remove the pudding dish from the fridge and decorate it with some chopped almonds. Now place the pudding dish on the freezer until it sets well. Simple badam pudding is ready. Hope you all like the video. Thank you.